Good morning, students. So this is our line plan of a 2 BHK room in which we are living, right? So this is only the line plan showing one hall, one kitchen and two bedrooms, and similar portion in the above, right? So if we have to draw development plan, elevation and section of this room, then how to calculate, how to draw uh, that development plan, elevation and section is clear with this video. Just understand what is in the plan actually. So in the plan they are showing that the room in which there is hall, if we consider it as a 6 meter by 8 meter dimension, means horizontal versus vertical dimension. Always note down the dimension with horizontal versus vertical, right? In which in this room there is one door to outsiders. So this is staircase showing the trades in plan. After that, this is window having the chhajja. After that, this window is there and having the chhajja. After that, there is a door which gives the entry, or you can provide simple opening, not door, to this passage, and this passage covers the bedrooms. After that, WC bath, right? And after that, staircase and kitchen. This is the passage which give you the entry, or which give you the direction towards our bedroom, then kitchen, WC bath and the staircase, means all other element. After that, this is staircase which gives the vertical movement of your room. After that, it's a window in which you are landing, which is provided in the middle part of your portion. After that, it's a kitchen having the similar dimension 6 meter by 8 meter. After that, the bedroom having the window chhajja like that, kitchen ota. After that, the bedroom having the dimension of 6 meter as the horizontal by 5 meter, and this bedroom also 6 meter by 5 meter, and a remaining portion, that is this portion, is, if you consider 3 meter, then this WC bath is of 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, right? After that, the horizontal dimension is you are getting, but vertical dimension about WC is 1.5 by 1.5, and for bath 1.5 by 2 meter, right? So these are the dimension we are taking. Thank you.